Good morning, friends. This is Devraj. Today, I am explaining the topic about how we are calculating the arithmetic mean in individual series. So already we learned series can be classified into three categories: individual, discrete, and continuous. Under the individual, for calculation of it, there are the two methods are there. One is the direct method, second is the shortcut. But how to identify the individual series? Only thing, this is the A1 question. So family and income. Families are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. And their incomes are given. Whenever in the question, information is given individually or separately. If you observe A family, separate income, B family, separate income, C family, separate income, like that all the informations are given separately. When the information is given separately, then it's called the individual. So first, whenever the question you got in examination, read the question carefully, right? So here, by seeing of this observation, we understood which is individual series. But in individual series, how many methods are there for calculation of mean? So for calculation of mean, there are the two methods. Either we can use the direct method or else we can use the shortcut method. But in examination, you present in the two methods. Both the methods, whether that is direct and as well as indirect. Indirect means what? Shortcut method. Okay. So if you observe family and income, family A 30 income, family B 70, family C 10 up to J. J's family is also given. But how we are calculating the arithmetic mean in individual and as well as in individual direct and shortcut. Okay, this is the question. But already I gave in the last, in one of the class, I mentioned what are the methods of the series, and in that how we are calculating the arithmetic mean. Okay. So series of three categories: individual, discrete, continuous, and arithmetic mean. Main calculations are two. One is simple arithmetic mean, second is the weighted arithmetic mean. Under the simple, we are calculating in three series: individual, discrete, and continuous. In individual, two methods; discrete, two methods; continuous, three methods. Individual, direct, and shortcut. Now our topic is what? Individual series, right? First we'll complete that one. So we can calculation. So question is calculation of arithmetic mean by direct method. Okay. For getting of the full marks, table is very important, right? Prepare the table, but in that table, family, whatever the question is given, family and the income. So whatever the observations are given, it is taken as the X. Observation can be taken as the X. So families are A, B, C, D, 2, J. So take this whole observation: 30, 70, 10, 75, 500, like this question is given. So copy that one, right? So this is the table. So only two columns here we have to take. Now in individual series, the formula will be below this: x bar equals to summation x by n. So what is the meaning of summation x? Formula will be individual series, direct method. So direct method formula x bar indicates what arithmetic mean. N equals to what? Number of observations. Count the observation. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Observation will be 10. Counting of that observation. And summation x means what? Find the total of these x. So the total you have to calculate, right? First one, which is okay, and in examination you can use the calculator. So I'm using the calculator. 30 plus 70. The next one is what? 10. And next is 75. And the next 500 plus 8 plus 42 and plus 250 plus 40 and plus 30. Okay, total becomes 1010. 55. So we got the summation is what? We should add 30 plus 70 plus 10 to up to last observation we have to add. By adding of these we got the 1055, right? Then x bar equals to summation x by en. Whatever the summation x already we calculated 1055 by number of observations are 10, which is by dividing of this 105.5. So here, whatever the 10 families incomes are given, that all 10 families incomes we added, we divided with total 10 families. Averagely, each family is getting the arithmetic average income equals to what? 105.5 rupees. Okay. This is the method by using direct method. Same problem we can use, right? Okay. See the observation, read the question carefully, individual. So summation of these all observation divided by number of observation. This is the arithmetic mean direct method. Same problem we can apply in the shortcut method, right? In examination, you have to present in the two ways. One is the direct and as well as shortcut method also, right? Okay, dear students, take as it is and complete this one later. This is the point A. So whatever the method we applied, it is the A method. Now we are continuing in the B method also. How we are calculating the shortcut method. Right? B point it will be calculation of arithmetic mean by shortcut method. Right? So here you have to take the columns are three columns are required. Whatever the two columns are given, as it is you take, and the third column will be, so that is, we have to take in discrete, the individual deviations column to be taken. Okay, again you have to take family and the income. We are taking another the column as D. D indicates what? Deviation. How we are calculating the D? D equals to what? X minus A. D equals to what? From the X observation, you have to take any one of the value as assumed mean. We have to take as assumed. We have to select one observation as A, which is assumed mean, right? So any number you take, either 30 or 70 or 10, whatever the observation from this, or else any number normally also you can take, but getting of the answer is same. Here I took as X minus A is taken as 75. Now I took A, 75 is the X minus 75. So based on the 75, we are finding out the deviations. But how we are calculating the deviations? Simple. From each observation, we are subtracting the 75. First 30 minus 75. So first observation is what? 30 minus 75. What you are getting? Minus 45. Then 70 minus 75, which is minus 5. Even though if you got the negative, take the negative sign. If you got the positive, you take the positive sign. 10 minus 75 minus 65. 75 minus 75, which is 0. 500 minus 75, 425. Check it and use the calculator, whatever it is. Okay, in examination also it is allowed to use the calculator. Next, 8 minus 75, which is minus 67. Then 42 minus 75, which is minus 33. Then 250 minus 75, 175. 40 minus 75, minus 35. 30 minus 75, minus 45. Okay, this is the method. D we have to calculate X minus A, X minus assumed mean. So here we took as 75. So 75 should be taken from each of the observation. So we got the deviation. Now summation d equals to, we have to find the all positives and negatives, then we have to from the positives we have to deduct the negatives. If you observe, positives are only 1, 425 and 175. So first both we should add 425 plus 175. By adding up this we got as 600 minus. Now we should add all negatives. All negatives, first one which is 45 plus 5 plus 65 plus 67 plus 33 plus 35 plus 45. This is we got as 295. So here 600, one is positives are 600, negatives are 295. So from positives to negative we have to subtract. That is we got 305. Okay, 305 which is positive sign. Add all positives and deduct negatives. Then, so formula will be after calculation of this. After calculation of this, we have to apply the formula. Whatever the formula, x bar equals to a plus summation d by n. A plus summation d by n. Individual direct method, x bar equals to summation x by n. This individual series shortcut method, x bar equals to a plus summation d by n. So a, what you have taken as the a? 75 plus e. What you got the summation d? 305 by number of observations are 10. So here 75 plus 305 by 10. So 305 by 10 which is 30.5. 75 plus 30.5 which is 105.5. If you observe, in individual direct method also we got 105.5. Shortcut method also we should get 105.5. Both we got the same answer. Both we should get same answer. Then only it will be correct, right? So there are the two methods for calculation of arithmetic mean. Individual series, one is the direct method which formula is summation x by n. Shortcut method which formula is a plus summation d by n. Whatever the observation, first we have to understand the question whether the data is given in individual, discrete or continuous. So as per this problem, data which is individual, because all observations are given separately. Individually all families are given separately, then it's called the individual, right? And this problem practice, and similar problem also, if any problems are there, practice that one. Okay, thank you. This is Devraj, business statistics topic. Okay, thank you so much.